Hello friends, this is Umesh Mali. Welcome to my channel An Engineer's Guide. So guys, before moving forward, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, which will be free for you but will give me a lot of motivation to create such useful videos for you. So guys, in this session we will learn how to delete a multiple dimensions in one command. So how to do this in AutoCAD? Let's see. So guys, on the screen you can see one AutoCAD drawing in which you can see there are multiple dimensions in the drawings. Now my boss wants that delete all the dimensions from the diagram. So now I will do it like this. I will select the dimension, delete it, select the dimension, delete it, select the dimension, delete it. So guys, this method is very much time consuming and will take you a lot of time of work. So today in this session, I will let you know about simple technique to delete all the dimensions in once. So just type a command dim. So here is command dim disassociate. Now just select the object. Now press enter. Now just type a command erase. In the erase just type P. P stands for previous. Just now enter. So likewise, in one command you can delete all the dimensions no matter how much bigger your drawing is. So guys, hope you got some value from this video. So please keep watching and keep sharing our videos with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.